Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am going to teach you daily use English sentences and phrases with Urdu translation. Try to repeat after me. Okay? So let's begin. Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. Pagal na bano. Don't be Polish. Don't be Polish. Bewaqoof na bano. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Shy mean sharam. Don't be shy. Sharam na karo. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. कंजूसी न करो. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. जिद न करो. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. उसे गालियाँ न दो. Abuse mean गालियाँ. Don't be rude. गुस्ताख न बनो. Don't be rude. Don't be cruel. Don't be cruel. जालिम न बनो. Don't be cruel. जालिम न बनो. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. लालची न बनो. Don't be greedy. Don't be naughty. Don't be naughty. शरारती न करो. Don't be naughty. शरारती न करो. Don't come here. यहाँ मत आओ. Don't come here. यहाँ मत आओ. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. शोर न करो. Don't write on the wall. Don't write on the wall. दीवार पर मत लिखो. Don't write on the wall. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. उसको मत बताओ. Don't tell him. Think over it. Think over it. इस पर सोचो. Don't spend all the money. Don't spend all the money. सारा पैसा ज़ाया न करो. Don't be late. Don't be late. देर न करो. Don't be late. Don't be briber. Don't be briber. रिश्वतखोर मत बनो. Don't be briber. Don't be disloyal. Don't be disloyal. बेवफा मत बनो. Don't slap him. Don't slap him. उसे तप्पड़ न मारो. Slap mean तप्पड़. Don't be pretend. Don't be pretend. खौफजदा न बनो. Don't be pretend. Don't be broker. Don't be broker. कबाड़ी न बनो. Don't miss the prayers. Don't miss the prayers. नमाज ज़ाया न करो. Don't miss the prayers. Don't be spendthrift. फजुल खर्च न बनो. Spendthrift mean फजुल खर्च. Don't be hypocrite. Hypocrite mean मुनाफिक. मुनाफिक मत बनो. Don't be hypocrite. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. बेवकूफ़ न बनो. Don't be tempted. बुज़दिल न बनो. Don't be tempted. बुज़दिल न बनो. Don't be stupid. बेवकूफ़ न बनो. Don't be stupid. बेवकूफ़ न बनो. Don't be selfish. खुदगर्जी न करो. Don't be selfish. Don't be crossed. खफा न हो. Don't be crossed. खफा न हो. Don't be afraid. डरो मत. Don't be afraid. डरो मत. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. काहिल न बनो. Don't be backbiter. गीबत न करो. Don't be backbiter. गीबत न करो. Don't be bossy. बाप मत बनो. Don't be coward. बुज़दिल न बनो. Don't tell lie. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lose heart. हौसला मत हारो. Don't lose heart. हौसला मत हारो. Don't waste the time. वक्त ज़ाया न करो. Don't waste the time. Don't tell me the truth. Don't tell me the truth. मुझे सच मत बोलो. Don't lose the hope. उम्मीद मत हारो. Don't lose the hope. उम्मीद मत हारो या उम्मीद न हारो. Don't lose the hope. This is enough for today, right? If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay well and keep learning with us. Thanks for watching.